Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are you? This is DMC Compressor Company. Here what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you three different compressors. First, we're gonna show you the DMC3, which is a home unit for your home personal use, okay? This is the DMC3. Here I'm gonna show you the first three stages for the compressor. Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3. Here you're gonna see the emergency stop button, just in case, of anything, that whatever happens, that it does. If you believe that something's not going right, this is the emergency button for you to turn it off. Okay. Now here I'm gonna show you the compressor unit in the bottom here. This is the dryer, which is gonna separate the water and the oil from the natural gas before it goes into your tank. Now here I'm going to show you the other second dryer, which this compressor has two dryers and one filter, which you can see right here. Okay. Now in here you're going to ask yourself, is this safe? Yes, it's very safe, because this compressor, it meets the electric part of one explosive proof compressor. This is the compressor, the switch compressor, to change the compression, whether if you want a 3000 psi or 3600 psi, depending on the country that you're from, whether if it's Europe or America, which works in 3600 psi. Here you're going to see the electric motor, the compression switch that meets the safety standards for Europe. Okay. Here is the drain for stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. Now this is something very important. Before you want to turn on the compressor, you want to close the inlet gas that comes in the back, right here. Before you turn it on, you close this here. Okay, and then from there, before you turn it on, you gotta drain the compressor for whatever leftover was there from the time of you filling, before you fill the vehicle. So you open the drain, okay, and then as you're gonna see, all the water and oil is gonna come out. As you see in the floor here, that's going to release all the pressure and all the water and oil before you turn the compressor on. This is something very important that you want to do before you do you turn on the compressor. Now I'm going to show you how to turn it on. Come in here, turn the switch power on. This green button is going to turn it on. You just press it gently one time, and then it goes on. Now in here, you're gonna want to let the compressor run anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, so the oil starts lubricating the compressor perfectly before turning on the gas. Okay. Here's stage number 1, stage number 2, and number 3. Now you're gonna wait 3 to 5 minutes before you start filling the tank. Okay. Now let's say you already waited for the 3 minutes or 5 minutes. You want to close the drain, stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. Now you're going to notice very slowly that the stage 1, the needle pump is going to start moving up very slowly. Then stage 2 and stage 3. Now, what you want to do after that, you want to come in here. This is the outlet pressure. You connect it to the tank. You open the valve. and then the gas is gonna start slowly going into the tank. Okay, now we go back. I already did it also. Okay, now in here I'm going to show you, as you can see in stage number 1, 2, and 3, the meter starts going up, right? Now, if you hear that something is going wrong with the compressor, then you come in and you press the emergency button. It shuts it off right away. Okay. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next compressor, which is the DMC 15. As you can see here, this compressor is a little bigger, a little different than the first. With this compressor, you're capable to fill 2 vehicles at the same time. Okay? You have 1 and 2 outlet pressure valves to fill your vehicle. And again, we have the emergency button here. We have the drain valve over here. Okay? And also, this compressor, depending on the gas line pressure of your home, if it's bigger than the inlet pressure that this compressor will take, there's a feature for this compressor that we can install for you to regulate the pressure, which is a regulator that we install right here. If the pressure is higher of the inlet pressure that the compressor will take, this regulator will regulate the pressure for the compressor that needs the right pressure. Okay. Here we have the pressure release, safety pressure release valve, the filter, and the inlet tube for the natural gas. And again, as I can show you here, this is something very simple. You just press the button one time. For the pressure, to change the pressure, whether you want it 3,000 or 3,600 psi. Again, depending on the country where you're from. Okay? Here's the third switch. This is the outlet. As you can see, the compressor is a little faster. You can see the first stage already working. This one will take a little longer to work. You see how fast this compressor is? And again, if you hear something that is not going right, just press the emergency button and it will shut off.